Hey, so this website, Models Resource, is amazing. They have so many rips of 3D models from classic games and games you haven't even heard of. It's so much fun to browse through here and find awesome stuff. And I wrote a little Houdini plugin to import these models, and so what it'll actually do is it'll download it for you and then unzip it and then insert it into your scene. And it also maintains a local library, so you can kind of keep a little prototyping library. You don't have to keep on re-downloading things. So how it works is this. So you first need to give it a download directory. And so you just make like an empty directory, and it's going to download files into here. You shouldn't do anything in here manually because it's all managed by the plugin. So once you do that, you just go to new here, you paste in that URL. Just go to download zip archive, right click, copy link address, paste that in here, and then give it a name. So I'm just going to call it, I use a little naming convention to show that it's a character. I just do Charabas, it's me. And then I press import, and it'll download it, unzip it, and then bring it into your scene right here in its full glory. Just look at that. And it's in a it's using Labs OBJ importer. Now if I run this again, it will make another geonode here, as you see here, and this works with a couple different types of containers. So if, like, for example, if I want to have them all in a single geonode here, then if I drag that container in here and I run it like that, if you look in here, let me try that one. Let's run it a second time now. As you see, it's like merging them together. Yeah, so maybe that's useful. You can also import it into a geo level sub network if you put that as the container here, and also an object level subnet. All those contexts will work for the container. And I didn't really mention it, but after the first time I downloaded it, it's actually using a cached version, so I don't even need this URL anymore. I can just press import. It's all using the cache version. And everything that has already been downloaded is saved in this library here. So if I click rescan, now this is all those folders in the library. So I've previously downloaded this character, I can import him. Previously imported Stinky. Stinky is a little bit smaller, I think, so you can see him right here. And yeah, that's pretty cool. There's also, to kind of get in the nitty-gritty a little bit, there is support for, let me find this one, for like multiple OBJs in a single folder. So this one, actually, when you download it, actually has multiple OBJs. And what it does is it just uses that, it merges them all together here. And it also, we can also support DAE or collada files. It doesn't actually, these things don't have a material file, unlike the OBJs, so we don't get the materials for free, but it's pretty easy to just do a quick material here. And then I can select the base texture here. Find the bird here. This is the folder. This is the main texture, and then actually there's actually another texture here, which is this one, and then I just want to only apply that to this little button up here, so I can just, whoops, sorry. I can just do that and press enter. And then this is the way it actually looks on the site, as you see there. So that's cool. So yeah, get into some of these options here. Replace all of type. What that does is, well, so if I look in here and I re-import this same model again, right? Well, yes, it's importing another geometry here again and again and again. And if you want it to just like overwrite or just delete the existing ones, you can just use that option there. Replace all of type, and then force re-download. So if I wanted to like really re-download this one, yeah, even though it's in the cache, you can just do that option here. I'll just show you it's a bit slower, but it's not that slow when you have to download and unzip it. So, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it actually for this little library. This is the first time I've been doing Python scripting in Houdini. Actually, I've really never done much scripting in Python at all before. So it's pretty much a little learning experience, but also something that I actually find useful, which is the best kind of learning learning experience. So yeah, maybe someone will find this useful, and thanks for watching.